Encircle is an all-in-one field documentation platform designed for property restoration and insurance claims professionals. The Encircle mobile app enables easy capture of important documentation right in the field, and that data syncs in real time to the Encircle web app to connect restoration contractors, policyholders, and adjusters around a single source of truth. Encircle helps us settle claims and get properties back to normal faster. Before I hop into a demo, let's take a look at the end result of capturing your field documentation within Encircle. Beautiful and organized reports. You can choose from a wide variety of report styles designed for any type of property loss. Whether it's an initial inspection report or job completion report, you can quickly compile all the information you've captured in the field into a thorough report with just a couple of clicks. Include photos, videos, notes, floor plans, moisture readings, room sketches, moisture maps, contents inventories, and any other documents you'd like to attach. Once your report is generated, you can email and share it right from inside the Encircle app. Our reports are interactive, so photos, videos, floor plans, and sketches can all be clicked on for a larger view. Replacement cost values for contents listings can be verified with direct links to online retailers. Now let's explore the mobile app a bit more. Quickly start a new claim file and then fill in the job details. If you want some more insight into the loss before you arrive on site, you can request photos and videos from the policyholder. You can also get the policyholder to sign documents remotely, like work authorizations before you start a job or certificates of completion once the job is wrapped up. Encircle is organized by structures and rooms to keep your file nice and neat. In this case, we have a room already set up for the exterior, so we can just click into it to start documenting the property. A quick photo of the front of the loss will be used as the cover photo for the final report. Once you arrive inside the property, we recommend that you start by creating a floor plan for your estimate. Simply walk the property while capturing a video scan. An accurate 2D floor plan will be returned in less than 6 hours. You can import your floor plan directly into Xactimate to turn it into a sketch, complete with measurements, doors, windows, and fixed features. Now let's move on to our room documentation. Start by adding additional rooms into your Encircle claim file. To help us tell the story of the loss, you can take some high-level photos of the room, or use 360 photos for an immersive room overview. Use notes to capture source of loss, pre-existing conditions, resulting damages, and more. You can use our voice-to-text feature for increased speed. Video is also super useful to capture additional details and help define the scope of the job. You can provide expert commentary and build a video scope in minutes. Since your Encircle subscription includes unlimited users, you are able to document multiple rooms at once, making documentation that much faster. Encircle's Contents tool lets your team easily inventory contents. Capture item photos, descriptions, box names, pre-existing damages, and more with a quick and intuitive workflow. Back at the office, admin teams can manage your inventory lists and even find replacement pricing right from the app. If you're a restoration contractor working on a water damage job, all of your moisture documentation can be captured in Encircle Hydro. Our Hydro checklist is based on the IICRC S500, ensuring that your team hits every critical step of the dryout, and that you have all the documentation you need to justify every unit placed on the job and get paid for it. Set up drying chambers, get an equipment recommendation, add moisture and psychrometric readings along with photos of your moisture meter, and create moisture maps. Project managers can access the data in real time to remotely supervise every water job with ease. And there you have it. Encircle helps your team to capture the critical details in the field, sync it back to the office in real time, and quickly create professional reports to tell the story of the loss. When you can communicate the loss clearly, you make everyone's jobs easier, get paid faster, and protect your margins. And most importantly, you can focus on what matters most: getting your clients' lives back to normal